Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency trading on the Bingx exchange. Today, we're going to explore one of the most sought-after features that Bingx offers: copy trading. Get ready to learn how you can leverage the expertise of skilled traders and potentially replicate their success. Copy trading has become increasingly popular in the cryptocurrency space as it allows traders of all skill levels to benefit from the strategies and insights of experienced professionals. At its core, copy trading enables you to automatically mirror the trades executed by a selected trader or trading strategy without having to constantly monitor the market or make complex trading decisions yourself. On Bingx, the copy trading feature is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, catering to both novice and seasoned traders alike. By leveraging the collective wisdom of successful traders, you can potentially maximize your returns while minimizing the risks associated with solo trading. So, let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process of how to copy trade on Bingx. Step 1. Sign up and fund your account. Before you can start copy trading, you'll need to create an account on Bingx. Head over to their website or mobile app and follow the registration process. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 during sign-up to unlock exclusive benefits. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it with the desired cryptocurrency or fiat currency. Bingx supports a wide range of payment methods, making it convenient for users worldwide to deposit funds. Step 2. Navigate to the copy trading section. After logging into your Bingx account, locate the copy trading section. This can typically be found in the main menu or under the Trade tab. The intuitive interface of Bingx makes it easy to navigate and access the various features. Step 3. Browse and select traders or strategies. In the copy trading section, you'll have access to a pool of successful traders and trading strategies. Bingx provides detailed information about each trader or strategy, including their performance history, risk profile, and trading style. Take the time to carefully review the available options and choose the traders or strategies that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can also filter the options based on specific criteria such as profitability, asset types, or trading strategies. Step 4. Allocate funds and configure settings. Once you've selected the trader or strategy you wish to copy, you'll need to allocate funds from your account to the selected option S. Bingx allows you to distribute your funds across multiple traders or strategies, enabling diversification and risk management. Additionally, you can configure various settings to customize your copy trading experience. These settings may include stop-loss levels, position sizing, and other risk management parameters. Bingx provides detailed explanations and guidance to help you make informed decisions. Step 5. Monitor and manage your copy trading portfolio. After you've set up your copy trading portfolio, Bingx's intuitive platform allows you to monitor the performance of the traders or strategies you're following. You can track your positions, profits, losses, and other relevant metrics in real time. Depending on your preferences, you can choose to manually intervene and adjust your positions or let the copy trading system automatically execute trades on your behalf based on the actions of the traders or strategies you're copying. One of the key advantages of copy trading on Bingx is the flexibility it offers. You can easily modify your portfolio, stop following certain traders or strategies, or adjust your allocations as needed, giving you complete control over your investments. Remember, while copy trading can potentially enhance your trading performance, it's essential to thoroughly understand the risks involved and to conduct your own research and due diligence before allocating funds. Copy trading on Bingx is a powerful tool that allows you to tap into the expertise of successful traders and potentially maximize your returns in the dynamic cryptocurrency markets. By following the steps outlined above, you can seamlessly integrate copy trading into your investment strategy and potentially achieve greater success in your trading endeavors. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 when signing up on Bingx to unlock exclusive benefits and take advantage of this innovative feature. Happy trading, and may the crypto markets be ever in